Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Today, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make banana bun guys. Yeah, some bad banana bun guys. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna blend my banana guys. Watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'm making a see what I go on. Soon come back. Yeah guys, as you can see over here, the banana in the blender. You understand how it is? So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna blend my banana. I'm making a see what I go on. Guys, be your badness. Yeah guys, so we have some guineas. I'm gonna use my guineas, blend the banana with the milk. You understand all these guys, just watch your badness in the kitchen. So yeah guys, I'm gonna pour my guineas. The guineas and the milk are the mixture. You understand all these, yeah. Guys, I'm gonna put a little sugar. You understand? Banana buns, so banana sweet. You know, I'm gonna put too much of sugar. You understand all these guys, just watch your badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put some sugar. You understand me? I don't want my banana bun too sweet. Yeah, guys. So that is it, guys. So I'm gonna blend the banana with my guineas and my milk. You understand me? So I have some cherry. Yeah. And we have some fruit. Yeah, guys. So you don't know, me no get no raisin. We go to the supermarket and me no get no raisin. So guys, I'm gonna use what me have. You understand me? Guys, just watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna blend me banana and I'm gonna pour it out in the pot. Yeah, you understand what I did? Yeah. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw my flour, I'm gonna throw my flour in the pot. That means when we blend, we just throw it on the flour and mix up. Guys, watch your badness. Yeah guys, so this is my flour. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put some mixed spice, ground cinnamon, baking powder. Guys, I'm gonna put some vanilla. I'm gonna pour the vanilla inside here. So and guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of browning to get that color there. You understand me? I have the guineas already, but I'm gonna put a little bit of browning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend up my banana with my guineas and my milk. And after guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of browning when we throw it in the pot with flour and the rest of things them there. So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I go blend up my banana now and I'm gonna see what I go on. Guys, I go grate a piece of nutmeg. Yeah guys, the banana bunny I go bad. Leave that soon come back. So yeah guys, what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna blend up my banana. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour it in the pot now and see what I go on. Yeah guys, so I go on in so. Be a badness in our kitchen guys, believe that. Guys, this is all gone. Yeah. I don't put any butter inside of it. No butter. Yeah guys, so see me have my cherry in the blender. See my cherry in the blender. I'm gonna put my fruit mix. I'm gonna put some fruit mix everywhere. You understand how these guys are be a badness. Be a badness guys, be a badness. Yeah guys, so I have an eggs milk. I'm gonna just pour it and chop it a little, not too fine. You understand what I did? Not too fine guys, so Yeah guys, I eat this. You understand me, I did. I don't want it too fine. I eat this. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna pour it out over here. So now I mix. Guys, now I lie, that one I have to sell off. So yeah guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put a little bit of brown in. You understand me? Yeah guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of brown in guys to give it the color there. You understand me? Yeah. Not too much guys, cause I don't want it too black. You understand me? Yeah. I'm gonna put a little bit more brown in guys. I want to have that color there guys, I don't like it you know. Guys, the banana body I go bad. Believe that. Yeah guys, so I'm not gonna put any more brown in. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna grease up my tin and I'm gonna pour it inside. I'm gonna sew I go on. First, I'm gonna light up my oven, make it preheat. You understand me? After me light up my oven, I grease up my tin and throw it out and I'm gonna sew I go on. Guys, a be a badness, soon come back. Yeah guys, so sew I go on over here so ready for going in a baking tin guys. Ready for going in a baking tin. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna light up the stove. Make your stove go and preheat. I'll up my baking tin them, pour it out, I'm gonna sew I go guys, I soon come back. Yeah guys, so see my two baking tin, so I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna grease them up and I'm gonna sew I go and I'm gonna pour me thing in it. You understand me? So guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Guys, I already put my stove to preheat 250 degree. Yeah, 250 degree guys. So when I put in my stuff, I turn it down guys, a be a badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna grease up my pan. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the coconut oil instead of the butter, the coconut oil. And the coconut oil grease the pan more better. You understand me? When you use the coconut oil and grease the pan and you bake the cake or the pudding, whatsoever you bake, easy to come out than when you use the butter. So guys, I'm gonna use the oil. Yeah guys, so that we do. So you use it and rub it. And that's some of the yeah. know the badness go. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I go on over here so. Yeah. See the next one. So what I'm gonna do now guys. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Yeah guys, so you stay tuned for when you finish bake guys. You understand how I did? Yeah, soon come back. Be a badness in our kitchen. The banana bun. Guys, be a badness.
Retired engineer Gordon Buns is one of the few people who claims to have captured the Loch Ness Monster on camera. Despite years spent waiting, Gordon remained determined to see the Loch Ness Monster.